Hello everyone, welcome to Page Bantimin Chai Rise. I am Sairong. Today we will continue to learn lesson 9 about Abraham part 1. In this video we will learn 3 words together. Number 1, land. Land. Spell L-A-N-D. Land. Example, she bought a big land. She bought a big land. Second, children. Children. Spell C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Example, my sister has 2 children. My sister has 2 children. Third, live. Live. Spell L-I-V-E. Live. Example, they live in the countryside. They live in the countryside. Please review together. First, land. Land. Second, children. Children. Third, live. Live. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make a sentence by using the 3 words that we've learned. And leave it in a comment so that we can have check. If you do it right, we will give thumb up. If not, we will have correct. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down below. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.